What I'm about to show you is setting up your API keys in Descript. If you've never used an API before, it's how apps connect to each other through code. If you haven't used an API before and you don't have a need to do this, you can skip this lesson. This is an advanced topic and a technical topic, but I'm going to show you how to generate your keys and start using it in your terminal right now. We first go to our settings, and then you come to API tokens on the left side, and you create an API token. And I'm just going to call this API demo, and you can choose a drive to put it into. And then you say create token, and then it gives you your API token. This is the keys to your AI credits. So you want to be careful with this. And as soon as I hit done, I'm not going to be able to view it again as it says there. So copy this and use it immediately, or perhaps consider saving it to a secure encrypted note so that you have access to it later. But this is going to go away as soon as I click done. And it's not a big deal if I want to delete one and then create another one, I can always do that as well. But anyways, this token is now hidden from me. So I'm going to close out of that. And by the way, Descript has their docs.descriptapi.com. This walks you through creating that API token, which I just did. And then to actually install this, you're going to need to open up your terminal. If you haven't used a terminal before, that's beyond the scope of this video. I'm assuming a higher level of expertise here. But once you got that open, then you're going to need to install the CLI version. So we'll go to npm install, paste that in, and then I'm going to grab the Descript API config. I'm going to copy that, paste it in, and it prompts me to enter my Descript API key. So that's where I'm going to take that key that I just downloaded, that I just copied off of Descript. I'm going to paste that in, and we're all set up. So now we can do things like import media, and you can import the media from a URI, a URL. And so I can copy this whole thing. I can come back to my terminal, paste it in. And this is a sample project, by the way. So I'm going to go ahead and use that for now. It's telling me it's working on it, and it's going to take about a minute or so. And in that prompt that I just gave it, I passed it a name for the project, and then I chose the media that I'm going to import. And there we go. And if I look in my drive, there is my first project created just a couple minutes ago. And if I click on it, it's now in there.